this thing is too wobbly. Checked it out and we're gonna leave it. Sure is bright. I'm at my Staples dumpster. This is unusual, and I'm gonna get it. Very unusual find here at the Staples dumpster. This looks like a pocket watch. Wow. Oh yeah, I like it. It's awesome. This is a video of the stuff cleaned up that I got out of that surprise Staples find. Here's the cat curled up. It holds a candle. I've got to look this up. It says Francoma. This is very neat. It's a unicorn. Fits on there. A whole set of this Blue Whisper or Somerset. I think it says 1985 on it. I'll show you the plates in a minute. This candy bowl. Neighbors will like that. These are plated. Sterling. I mean, not sterling. They're silver plate. 4 of them. These interesting things to hold the iron. 2 of those. Very strange to find that there. Then, of course, we're looking this thing up. It's like Art Deco chrome. And I think there was one on eBay for like $30 or something. I like it, love it. It's time for jewelry for me, and I consider watch jewelry. There's some stuff to go with our brass napkin holders. And here's all the plates. This is the Mi Casa. I'm not going to be eating off these. They're just a little too damaged. Some of the big ones. Is this the one? This one's made in Indonesia. It might be alright if we run it through the dishwasher real good. It's got a nice pattern, kind of a Christmas pattern. A lot of these plates that go with those coffee cups, and then a couple of the bowls there. And the floral pattern is Mi Casa. It's pretty, but see what I mean? It's just, you can't do, that's not sanitary, but it'll look nice under a plant or something. And this weird old, sorry about the mess, we just did not expect to be washing all these dishes. These weird old, this weird old iron, travel iron, made by Durabuilt, which I know that they make bottles. So I'll have to look that up. Obviously that will never be plugged in. It's gone. But it's an interesting little antique. The ID bracelet says GelmanSilver. I do not think it's real silver. I can test it. I need to look it up. It did not have an engraving in it that I could tell. This is just, you know, from old masking tape that's stuck on there when they had it for a garage sale years ago, I guess. All this stuff was in a U-Haul box. It looked like it had been in a storage locker for quite a while. There was a bird's nest in some of it. Here's those tables that I asked the gentleman. I just wanted to make sure. I did knock on his door. Said, "Is that out? Are those 2 little tables trash?" He said they were. So nicely painted, and they kind of come apart and fold. They're still wet, so they're, you know, they're discolored from being wet. But that's those. I like them. That's how it kind of started, I guess. We just, you know, it's the first of the month and people are putting stuff out, moving or whatever. Anyway, this bag's from the Dollar Tree. And funny, looky. I know it won't pick up, you know, anything too heavy, but hey, I might be able to use that. And so we've already got a, just popped open here. little sandwich bags, and let's just see what they cleaned out. I'm still waiting for a big clean out over there of their Valentine's stuff, but maybe I'm not going to get that. Smash boxes of vanilla wafers. I like those. Probably made in the USA. That's good. Something's leaking in here, so I'm going to have to clean them off. I don't know if they're expired. I'll have to... I just think the boxes are just too crunched. I do like vanilla wafers. Oh yeah, something really... There's some cookies unopened. Something nasty really spilled. It's these strawberry things, or raspberry things. So that's making a big mess. There's a Tupperware. Here's a pen. Let me get that out of there before the strawberries get it. Alright, y'all don't know this unless you've been watching my metal detecting videos. I'm trying to get a chess set together. Full chess set together, so there's a few more pieces. I'll take that. Applesauce. There's another chess set in there. A bracelet. I'm going to have to wash this stuff off. I didn't know it was such a mess. There's a ring find. Christmas trivia game. Alright. I like stuff like that. Little games. I think that's just about it. There's another ring down in there I'm going to wash off. Sorry, it's kind of disgusting with that frozen raspberry bag busted open. So, little hair thing. That's about it. Still waiting on them to put out some boxes for me. Thanks for watching. Good luck to everybody.